McKinsey study report on smart cities, they project that, for example, with smart traffic, the commute will decrease for 15 to 30 minutes on average. Employment rates will go up 1 to 3%. Then expenses are going to drop 1 to 3%. Water consumption decreases even 20 to 30% with smart water metering. Gas emissions go down, and so on and so forth. So a lot of benefits. Even the crime would decline for 30 to 40% with better smart cameras, monitoring, and all the IoT technology. So there's a lot of applications of smart city, a lot of improvement in the life of citizens. But for example, let's focus again. Let's get back to the real estate portfolio of a city, which is usually huge and very complex. So how do we manage this? How do we handle this? And how do we enhance this in a smart city platform? Which do you see are the key pain points of a city when planning the management of real estate portfolio?
Well, as all the areas that you mentioned, for example, again, analogy, if you want to have an efficient traffic, we have to connect traffic lights, public transportation, private transportation, car sharing, bike sharing, roads, weather, whatever concerns traffic in one system. Then you can officially manage traffic. So the pain point in the real estate management in the city is exactly the same. We have a lot of real estates. We have different departments that they take care each about their own real estates. And then they have organizations that are managing this real estate, which, for example, city is owning. And then one is dealing with the legal part, with the ownership, with the landing premises. The other is dealing with the maintenance, with the upgrading. The other department is dealing with the, upgrading infrastructure and maintenance and so on. So we don't have one system. We have sometimes dozens of parallel systems, and it goes until the system is not too big. But when you want to improve on system level, then again we go to the original question is, who is deciding about the improvement of infrastructure? Of course, the city government. Can they decide? Hardly, because they don't have enough data about the whole infrastructure. They have to ask different departments. Then the question is, are the processes connected? When I do the maintenance, can I do it serially in more physical premises? I don't know, because different departments are managing them. Do I have the data? Do I have the legal data and the maintenance data and the cost data all in the same system? Usually not, because part of the data is the financial system, part of the data is maintenance system. And then on the end is the question, do I have unified technology, unified software, unified data to provide the whole ecosystem for real estate management? And the biggest pain point is to collect the data, again, to connect the processes, to persuade people that they have to share the financial data with legal department, legal data with maintenance department, maintenance data with the legal department, because they are all interconnected. And if you share this data smart, then everyone can do their job much better. It's much better legal overview, is much better cost overview, which can have legal consequences, and so on and so on. So connecting everything in one system is a nightmare. And this is usually, if you want to do it, it's realistic, you have to do it top down, but with a lot of cooperation from all mentioned departments and services that are connected to the real estate management.
Zanimivo z tega vidika ugotavljanja, katere podatke dejansko v neki lokalni skupnosti obstajajo. Vsak ti več ali manj zna povedati, katere aplikacije uporablja. Redko kdo pa zna povedati, s katerimi podatki razpolagajo. Mi smo v Ljubljani izvedel tako imenovano podatkovno odkrivanje, pomeni smo naredili analizo, kaj sploh vse imamo od podatkovja. Jaz sem pričakoval zanimiv rezultat, ampak sem bil tudi sam presenečen nad tem. To je preko 300 podatkovnih virov, ogromno nekega kapitala, če tako rečem, na katerem se da graditi zelo kvalitetne servise. Ga je pa potrebno urediti in združiti na enem mestu. To verjetno, temu se ne moremo izogniti. Drugo je pa potem, da rečemo, vse je treba med sabo povezovati. To je to, kar je mogoče gospod Žerovnik nakazal z vidika Smart City platforme, kateri osnovni cilj je graditi na tem, kar imamo, dobro povezati, zato da bomo lahko bolje ponudili podporo tistim, ki dela opravljajo in boljše servise za nas končne uporabnike. Po drugi strani pa to, kar ponuja Imagine z vidika upravljanja objektov v čim bolj celoviti obliki, da imaš vse podatke o objektih, njihovi rabi, dejanskih povezanih postopkov in podobno, kar se dogaja s strani Flykoma na področju nepremičnin, ne samo, da so znane, ampak se jih da tudi izmeriti, se jih da pogledati, se jih da povezati z različnimi drugimi podatki in to je po mojem mnenju neka solidna osnova za en modern, rečemo, del Smart Cityja, ki se ukvarja pa z temi nepremičninami. Kar, čeprav razumem, je po vašem konceptu internetne rešitve in to, kar je gospod Žerovnik povedal, z vidika T2 je verjetno smiselno v nekem podatkovnem skladišču zagotoviti in se občina s tem enostavno ne ukvarja več. Ima na voljo zadostne kapacitete in to mislim, da je pomembno tudi za lokalno skupnost.
Tako je, tako. To je zelo pomemben element.